Hi guys, welcome back to the channel. Today we're taking a look at the construction of the Sandals Negril Hotel. What they're doing here is they're extending this is the hotel over here, and they're extending the hotel and building some honeymoon suites. So this is Negril, Sandals Negril. And there is so much construction going on in Jamaica. If it's not hotels, it's residential buildings or commercial buildings. But Negril is a very famous spot for hotels in Jamaica. So today we're going to be touring the construction going on in Negril. And we are on the Norman Manley Boulevard. We're actually on the outskirts, like heading into, this is Negril, but heading into Hanover. So this is Sandals Negril. Alright, we're going to continue. So this is the actual hotel that they are extending or building the honeymoon suites for. So you can see the name Sandals. And Sandals is probably the largest hotel chain in Jamaica. Okay, so on the left now you have Hedonism and Royalton, two different hotels. Hedonism is an adult hotel and Royalton is a family hotel. You have Grand Lido and Hideaway over there as well. So this is Royalton that you're looking at on the left now. the left now is Rio, one of the two Rio hotels in Negril. And Rio is actually, they have another hotel I think they have two hotels in Montego Bay. And they're building a 700 room hotel in Trelawney. And another hotel is going up on the right. Look like they've reached very far. Now this is the other Rio hotel we're coming up to now. On the left. This is a very nice complex on the left. Alright guys, let's just get the name of this complex and then it's called Little Bay Country Club. Very nice. Alright guys, thanks for taking a tour with us. Remember to like, share and subscribe. Have a good day.